Hello. Today we are going for our discussion question number 7 about generic strategies. My name is Horácio Figueiredo Diniz, and the idea for our presentation today is to show you about the business level strategies. Easy to say, but very complex to explain. Because of this, think about in terms of generic strategies in order to explain what is that for a company. A generic strategy is a general way positioning a firm within in an industry. Focus on generic strategies allow executives to concentrate on the core of the business. With this in hand, this generic strategy is focused on two dimensions. The first one is competitive advantages, and the other is the scope of the operations. If we consider these metrics between these two dimensional points, we have four ways to positioning our strategy in our company. If the company can be a cost leadership or have a differentiation, or can be focused cost leadership or focus on differential. With this on hand, these costs can be something in advantage for the strategy of the company if you consider a cost is down, or if you offer something unique to the market. The scope of the strategy of the company can be general or can be a segment of customers, like a niche. So emerge from this decision four kinds of generic business level strategies. Understand these importances for the company. Value proportions of the customers for generic for decision makers. You can have cost leadership, differentiation, focus on leadership, and focus on differentiation. Today, I'm focused on cost leadership to show to the group that is, in my opinion, the most important difference in a strategy that a company can be. And therefore, I based my decision because of the Walmart. Walmart is today the largest company in the world. And the advertised slogan of Walmart is always low price and save money, live better. And you consider that approximately 100 million Americans visit Walmart in a typical week. It means that one third of Americans are frequent of Walmart customers. So it's a good example that is a generic strategic cost leadership and it can work well, depends of some points that you need to consider. First of all, the company with this kind of strategy must be emphasizing efficiency and the leader value on economies of scale. On the other hand, you can see advantages and disadvantages in this kind of generic strategy. Advantage is you, the leader can be a high market share and stand against the price war. Disadvantage is the perception of the quality by the consumers. If it's too low, can cause damage on the company. On the other hand, so this kind of companies are based on efficiency. So it's hard when they need to change quickly. In conclusion, the leadership strategy is something that depends on the mission, culture, and the targets of the company. So it's very important decision that must be done by the executives of the firm. Define if we are focused on low cost or more expensive. If you are targeting narrow or broad market, and define if the company will have uh, a strategy of cost leadership, differentiation, focus on the leadership or focus on the research. Say thank you.